Yo, what's happening everybody? My name is Drew, what it do? And in today's video, we're gonna be looking at the brown Packer X Reebok Trinity Premier. I'm gonna be doing an on-foot portion of the sneaker. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit. Let's get into the video. The unboxing experience for the brown pair is identical to the cream pair. From the slide out box to the smell of the shoe, the molds of each silhouette are identical. If you didn't get a chance to watch my other video where I basically review the cream colorway of this shoe, then I'll tell you this. The Trinity Premier in this color variant is absolutely beautiful in the cream and in the brown colorway. I think what Packer did with Reebok is absolutely a 10 out of 10 banger in terms of the aesthetic of the shoe. I mean, the more I look at it, the more I realize how beautiful the shoe really is. And I think that for a lot of people who, you know, this may have slipped under their radar, they're kind of regretting not being able to get the pair that they want or get the size that they want. But I'm still gonna try to provide you guys with some value, some information on the shoe, because I was able to get both pairs. I think from an aesthetic standpoint, the shoe is, like I said, really beautiful. From the different materials on the upper to the way in which the lines kind of curve around on the midsole and on the upper, it's just an unbelievable shoe that has a lot of really dope colors to it. I think that the brown and the blue mix is really unique, and in terms of durability and not, you know, getting dirty as easily, I think the brown pair is a pair that is the pair for me that I like the most of the two. I've always loved blue, you know, as a kid, and I kind of have taken that with me into you know, young adulthood, and these sneakers are for sure just an amalgamation, from a word I used from the last review, of just tones and colors that are really like visually appealing to me. And I think that, you know, getting him and seeing him in hand, like, it just, you really get to see the colors and the tones of it on a different scale than what you would see if it was online, right? For those wondering who had asked questions from my last video, the shoe does fit true to size. I'm a size 11 and they fit me really well. From a comfort standpoint, you know, after actually wearing them and kind of experiencing the cushioning system on them, I'm not, you know, over the top impressed by the cushioning. I would give it an average or a decent score, maybe like a 7 out of 10 or something like that. But the shoe does, you know, feel, you know, relatively nice in terms of sizing. So if you're, you know, a true size 9, I would say go to your true size. And if you have a narrow foot, I still would say go to a true size. I have a narrow foot, and I didn't really feel as though it was, you know, too large in any kind of way, having a narrow foot. So wide footers, it's hard for me to give advice to wide footers because I'm not a wide footer, but I would still say true to size in general. Before we get into the on-foot portion of the review, I would love to know what you guys think of this colorway compared to the cream colorway. Do you like it more? Do you like it less? I'm just really curious about, you know, people's opinion on this shoe, because it doesn't seem like a shoe people were really going after. It was something that caught my eye, you know, initially, and I freaking love this shoe in terms of aesthetics and in terms of just where we currently are in sneakers and where I am as an individual. These shoes really represent where I'm at. So let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get on to the on-foot portion. I don't do it too often, but let's do it on foot. I really love these shoes, so let's get them on my feet. just like that. That's the on foot. Hope you guys enjoyed that on foot portion. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at DrewJoyner_. I just posted some beautiful pictures of the cream colorway, dad vibes, grandpa vibes, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the Instagram content as well, those who are connecting with me on Instagram. And I'm enjoying the conversations with people. I'm enjoying, excuse me, people reaching out to me and having conversations and asking me questions and things like that. I think that community is awesome. So continue to follow, continue to support on Instagram as well. Thank you guys so much for your support. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Subscribe, like, comment if you have any other questions or concerns. Subscribe if you liked it, and obviously like the video if you enjoyed the video, or don't. If you guys just watched the video and you guys didn't enjoy the video, then what the heck, why are you still watching? I'm just kidding. Peace. I'll see you guys later.